Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Rayo. In today's video, I'm going to be filming how to make this delicious, tantalizing, all-time favorite Ofada stew. And guess what? This is the most amazing, delicious stew that I've ever tried. It's not even capping, so check the description box for full details on the ingredients. So the first thing we want to do is to grill our peppers, onion and garlic. So if you like tasty stew especially, it is advisable to use pure grains or mix the green and red peppers together. But if you don't care about it, just go for the red. But I'm telling you that when you mix green and red peppers together to make your stew, you will get a very unique taste. So once my pepper is done grilling, I put everything in the blender, add a little bit of water just to work in the blender, then I blend it. So just make sure you don't over blend it, and if you have a food processor, it is advisable to use it. Thing is to heat up the pot, and once it's done heating up, we're gonna add our oil. I'm using the mixture of palm oil and corn oil. So with this combo, don't worry, your stew will go to the next level. And when it's very hot, we add our onions, then we leave it to saute for like 1 minute. So guys, this next stage is a big time game changer. It will take the taste of your stew from 0 to 100. Finger crossed. So we're gonna go on and stir fry our smoked fish for about 2 to 3 minutes. The next thing we want to do is to add our locust beans. Guys, before you stir fry any locust beans, make sure you wash it very well so it doesn't add bad taste to your stew. Then I'm gonna be adding my powdered crayfish, because why not? We will stir fry this for 30 seconds, then we're gonna add our pepper blend mix. So we're gonna give it some stirs, then we will be adding our spice and seasonings. Guys, when I say spice and seasoning, I don't mean you should be adding thyme and curry. We don't need it because this is a local stew and we want that local flavor. But if you like it, go ahead and do you. I'm gonna stir this well to combine. Then I'm gonna be adding the rest of my proteins, my eggs and meat. I'm going to be adding some meat broth for additional flavor. So I'm going to stir this well to combine. Then I'm going to put my flame on the lowest. Then let it fry. Don't cover the pot, just let it fry like that. And then stir it if needed. So after 20 minutes, we are going to turn off the flame, then cover it and let this sit on the stove for about 10 minutes. So guys, our Ofada stew is ready to enjoy. Even you can eat it with normal white rice. So I hope you like what you watch. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow for more. Thank you.